I am in no way a cosplayer, but if this turns out right...
I know what you're looking for. Come see me.
Apex finally dropped the little kid character Loba, who appeared at the end of Season 4's trailer. Okay, I know that's a lot to take in, but I play PS4 and I love the game Apex Legends, and Season 5 just came out. So in today's video, I'm going to create a look inspired by Loba. Style and class have come to the Apex games, my friends, and her name is Lydia. So let's do some research. Starting with the hair, obviously. Loba is rocking 2 long braids that are cornrowed. She has some frosted tips here as well. So let's start with that. Who am I kidding? I don't know how to cornrow, but I know somebody who can. So I'm going to attempt a fox eye, and for the record, I am not a professional. I think this turned out pretty well. A cute makeup look and hairstyle for a night out on the town. But you know what? Let's have some fun with this. I think we're ready for revenge. After all of that work, let's look at the end result. So, did you like this look? Would you wear it to a girl's night out? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.